now open up this conversation. Always a very interesting conversation to have. We have with us Vipin Sharma, political analyst, Varun Singh, senior journalist, Priya Sehgal, editorial director of NewsX, and Sanjay Kapoor, political analyst, with us on the broadcast. Let me begin this conversation with Priya Sehgal. Priya Sehgal, your first thoughts on the poll of polls and generally the assumption that the NDA will manage to continue its winning streak as far as Bihar is concerned.
That's a very interesting word you use, Devika, manage, because the NDA really is in the business of managing elections rather than winning them. So in that sense, I do think, yes, they will manage, whether it is through the last minute blitzkrieg poll narrative and the organization on the ground, the way they, the election machinery that they have going for them. But we must say the Mahagathbandhan is putting up an extremely good fight. And then in terms of narrative, in terms of the campaign, in terms of the, with Rahul Gandhi setting it off with this election vote chori yatra, then Tejasvi Yadav picked up the steam and he's focusing on local issues, on this Har Ghar Sarkari Naukri. That has really worked out well on the ground from what I'm hearing. Of course, the NDA took off on the Mahila vote, the women vote. So it's been a very interesting election. And the Prashant Kishore factor is also very interesting because, I assume he's in the others and in some polls have actually given him the numbers. Not very much, which is not surprising. This is his first election. But the amount of headlines he managed to get and in terms of narrative setting, it almost as if he was the third big player in the election. So he's managed to make a huge entry. We thought he would be a spoiler. I mean, no one thought he'll win outright. But his role as a spoiler also seems, if going by these numbers, your poll of polls, then it's really Prashant Kishore's, we didn't expect him to win, but he's the kind of, he's really been marginalized. And I don't see him playing, a greater role as he would have liked to post-election. So it should be a blow for him. He himself said, I will get, Arshpe of Arshpe, either less than 0 or I'll get more than 125. I think that is an election post. Let's see how he works on the ground. But if these numbers are true, then that would come as a blow for him. In terms of the NDA, I would also, I'm a little surprised at the numbers given to the JDU. I mean, that means there is a huge sympathy vote for Nitish Kumar. Chirag Paswan seems to have not, if these numbers are right again, Chirag Paswan hasn't done as well as he would have liked to. So there are a lot of people whose careers are going to be made or rather unmade in these elections. Tejasvi Yadav still doing well, I would say, Devika. I'll come more of it later.